Yo, welcome back. Good to see you again. We got some exciting news, an unboxing, quick video of what we got going on for the future of this channel. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go. Oh, got it. By the way, shout out to my brother-in-law for this awesome Benchmark knife. Yeah, carbon fiber. Awesome EDC knife. Super lightweight. Get you one. All right, quick unboxing right here. Whoa. Okay. Oh, nice. So I've seen some unboxings where it's literally just the box without any protection on there. This one actually has some protection. Yeah, very cool. Ray-Ban Meta's Wayfarer Gen 2. Wow, that's a nice box. Cool box. Oh, whoa, that was actually a really cool experience. Dang. Wow. That feels really nice. I've never thought I'd own one of these. This is really nice. Anyways, that's the unboxing. Oh wait, let me open it actually. Whoa, that's so cool. That is so cool. All right, let's see. Whoa. Ooh. That is so cool. How many times I gotta say that? But this is really nice. I got the matte black. Wow, I'm excited to use these. We got these so that we can record just a different point of view in life, different perspective, first person perspective, at the gym, at the park, running maybe, taking videos, photos. Nice. Well, stay tuned for future Ray-Ban Meta content. Woo! Very cool. Very cool, very nice. I like. Okay, bye. God bless you. I love you. Bye.